Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create equity accounts in QuickBooks Online using the new interface. Equity accounts help you track owner investments and business value. Let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open your company. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then under Your Company, select Chart of Accounts. Click the New button to create a new account. In the Account Type dropdown, select Equity. Choose a detail type, such as Owner's Equity, Retained Earnings, or Partner Contributions. Pick the one that best fits your needs. Enter a clear name for the account, like Owner's Equity or Owner Investment. Click Save and Close to create the account. Back in the chart of accounts, you'll now see your new equity account listed. And that's it. You've successfully created an equity account in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for tracking ownership and business value. Thanks for watching.